It is thought that smart directional antenna clusters may replace cell phone towers. Electromagnetic extensions, think about rhombozoidal antennas, are obvious. The social hourglass advantages, handshake social proximity 6 degrees and Kevin Bacon feature, or birds of a feather, joint liquid scans, alcohol or water flask capability, joint antenna power transmissions, 3D worldview imaging and geometrically accurate interior imaging capability, customizable and providing STL files then can be uploaded to allow a 3D rotational rendering of scanned objects on a website, or 3D prototyping using shapeways, endless possibilities. The social interaction question can be understood from a fundamental of human behavior, proximity-based trust, and psychological studies showing a greater happiness with face-to-face social interaction than through any computer system. For example, imagine that you are on a long airplane flight with little to do except initiate conversation with a stranger next to you. Typically, after initiating small talk, and after 45 minutes of conversation, you hit upon an interesting mutual interest you share with that person. Perhaps you both enjoy coin collecting. Unfortunately, the plane begins its descent and your conversation is cut off short. What if instead there was a device that could have eliminated those 45 minutes of small talk and immediately brought both parties into their mutual interest while preserving the natural privacy layers of an introduction and face-to-face communication and real-time privacy onion layer control? Imagine the feeling of walking down the street on Saturday night and never feeling alone. See below for an illustration. RSE's intellectual IP is protected by 4 provisional patents, copyright and trademark, and the New York law firm. We are aggressively recruiting top engineers to develop the most powerful handheld imaging device ever conceived. Initial production runs, low volume, is expected by the year's end. Rhoman Systems Engineering is a company that will manufacture in the United States. It also has far-reaching company goals, including a new social media tie-in for its handheld imager. Some of our ideas are futuristic and border on science fiction, but we are a grounded company that consists of experienced engineers who have a record of putting novel ideas into production and looking down the road.